Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today we are creating this beautiful bridge card here. I created this one with the Bonanza Buddies bundle. I used the dies and the stamp set. But today we're going to be changing it up just a little bit. I wanted to see how this card worked for the Honeybee bundle. And what I've done is I went ahead and stamped and cut some of the images in different ways to kind of see how we're going to go ahead and like this card but using the other products. And I'll tell you right now what you'll be needing. I used the background piece, which is right here, that measures 4 1/4 inches by 8 inches, and I went ahead and scored that at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 5 1/2, and 6 3/4. And the basic black piece for the bridge card, which is this one right here, measures 5 1/2 inches by 1 inch. And then I have a whisper white piece to lay inside for our sentiment that measures 5 1/4 by 3/4 inch. And then I have two pieces of whisper white, one for the inside and one for the outside. So as you can see here, I have a whisper white piece in the inlay right there. And then I created a cute little piece for the back so that you can write your message. And these two pieces of whisper white measure 2 inches by 2 3/4 inch, by 4 inches. And then I have two DSP pieces, and these measure 4 inches by 1 inch. And of course you can use any of the DSP that you wish. And then I have a lot of cutouts. Like I said, I have some that I've embossed. I have some that I've cut off from our glimmer paper, or gold glimmer paper. I have a couple of flowers and lots of cute little bees that we can color in and use for our card. I kind of wanted to see what it would be like if I kind of did like a flowing or card where the bees seem like they're flying a little bit. So we'll see what we can do. So let's go ahead and start by folding all our creases. And do the same for this side. Okay, so there you have this portion. So I'm going to go ahead and just start attaching some of the pieces. This goes in the center. I'm going to do the other one in the back. Okay, and then this one we're going to do it towards the bottom portion here. And this will allow our card to move from one side to the other. So let's go ahead and try to attach it on one end first. While I'm doing it, is moving it a little to make sure that it will be able to fold for when, oh Jesus Christ, you know what? It's a good thing I just remembered, and this guy is not all adhered. We forgot to go ahead and adhere our DSP. So let's go ahead and do that now. So these panel pieces will go on the sides before you put the bridge card. So do as I say, not as I do. Let's go ahead and line these up. The reason why I went ahead and did a couple of different options is because I like the pops of gold in the paper, and I didn't know what would be the best way to go ahead and make the card shine. So I did a little bit of both. Okay, and let's go ahead and try this again. And I'll just apply a little bit more. Okay. Here we go again. Perfect. And it does seem like there's a little bit of excess, not much. I'm going to go ahead and just trim that out. Okay. So now that we have the basic form or the shape of our card, I'm going to go ahead and put that aside, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment, and I'm using the sentiment from the same stamp set, the Honeybee stamp set. It says celebrate every moment. So this can be basically for any type of celebration. And I'm just using the Tuxedo Memento black ink. I'm going to center that as much as possible. Go ahead and stamp that. Okay, and we'll put this away, and this will basically be all the stamping for this card today. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this Whisper White piece with our sentiment onto the bridge piece that we went ahead and just adhered in the basic black. Okay. Alright. So you see that? It's taking shape, it's taking form, and I like what it's how it's looking, and we're going to try to see how we can configure some of these guys here. Might do some cute flowers. I wonder if one of the little tiny bees would fit. So how about we frame this guy out like that. Let's go ahead and color our flowers. And I'll be using the light Daffodil Delight. And we're just coloring these guys in. Okay, and we're going to try to do what I said. We're going to try to see if we can frame that cute bee. Okay, and we'll do one of the golden bees. a little crooked. Okay, so much better. Now we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of the bees on the outside. And I think I'm going to use some of the gold bees. Maybe this guy here. Let's give this card a little bit extra something. And what I'll do is I'll do just the glue on the body and let the wings be for a little bit. Let's see. I like that. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if we can line these guys up a little bit from one corner to the other. So let's go ahead and use our Daffodil Delight in the light again. And let's do his stripes. And let's do, let's say 3 for now. And then we can come back in case we need more. And I'm doing their cute wings with some wicked Stella to give them some cute sparkle. Now I'm not using any dimensionals because I want to keep the flap fairly flat. When you do too much dimensions on the card, it's hard for anyone to be able to mail it out. So let's try this. This guy will seem like he's a little bit off the air. Just like that. I think we are good. I think the last thing to do would be to go ahead and apply some dimensionals. I'm sorry, some cute little decorations, some rhinestones. And in this case, I am using these sequins with adhesive backs, and I'm just going to apply a few around my card. And I have 2 different sizes, so I'm just going to try to use a couple. Okay. This is the finished card, and the back has a blank spot, and I think we're going to do a cute little gold bee just to make it look cute and not out of place since I decorated the other background. Okay, so I think that's great. And let me turn that around again for you guys. This is an absolute cute card. Really love it. And like I said, it's for any occasion. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, we'd love it if you subscribe. I will go ahead and link my Stampin' Up! Online store that you can access 24/7. If you have any questions about any of the materials I use, please feel free to email me at learntolovediy@gmail.com or reach out to me through the comment section below. Be happy to answer any questions you have. Or if you don't already have a demonstrator, I'd be happy to go ahead and send you a complimentary catalog so that you're able to order some of these products. I hope you've enjoyed it again, this tutorial, and you guys have a great day.